Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a tall glam crystal candle centerpiece. So what you're going to need some of these rhinestone crowns, and this is a rhinestone crown pack. And so it's filled with these little rhinestone crowns like this. These are from Totally Dazzled. This is a 10 pack. So I did order 3 of the 10 packs. And it's from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these Tealight, a glass Tealight holder, a square candle holder, and a round glass candle holder plate. From Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this glam crystal candle holder centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. You could use this in any number of ways. You could certainly use it as a candle holder centerpiece. You could use it as a floral centerpiece. You could use it if you were doing a buffet to put utensils in. That would be a beautiful way to display cutlery. So there's some options there. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this DIY video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.